Hi, welcome to today's session. So today I'm going to do a ab workout, but it'll be in a chair. Some people can't get down to the floor, so I thought I'd do this little chair one. It's still hard, so give it a try. You can slow it down. If you have a bad back, then you can sit up a little bit taller and just adjust for that. So my name is Marion Brand, and I'm a personal trainer and a functional aging specialist. And get ready, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and we're going to get started. I'll demo what we're doing first. I'm using a little stool right here. You can use a chair, or if you're a couch or an ottoman or something that's sturdy. So let's get started here. The first thing is I'm going to be sitting down and I'll be leaning back. So if you've got a bad lower back, you don't want to lean too far. And the first exercise I'll be doing like a leg lift. So of course you can be up tall, or you can make it harder with going back a little bit more. And then we're going to flip over to a plank position. So I'm going to hold, I'm going to be here, and I'm going to either tap, or you can just hold, or you can lift up the knee. And then the third one will be this here again. So I'm just going to go side, side, just tapping out, side. And again, you can lean back. You could do it fast if you want, coming up, or just slow it down. And then the last one will be a plank again. And this time I'm going to hold the plank. I'm going to tap out, tap out, tap out. So I'll do it to the music. If the music's too fast, then you can slow it down a bit and just go at your own pace. So let's get started.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Love isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
Round 1.
Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop the violin and the jukebox, and
3, 2, 1, stop!
Plank, hold, you can stay, or you can lift the knees. Get ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
My girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming out, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say,
Your
boy, let's not
bum down, you don't want to be up too high.
Nice
Nice and straight.
Coming out, follow my lead.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Just sit down again. You can have your
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm in love with the shape of you.
Or you can do it a couple times,
And my heart is falling too.
whichever works for you.
Love with your body.
I can feel this.
Last night you
Core is engaged. Pull that belly button in.
smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Plank is next. Set it up. Make sure you're right over your hands. You're going to tap. Or
3,
just
2,
hold.
1, go!
Back to the beginning. Halfway there.
I'm in love with the shape of you.
These.
3,
Back.
2,
Step tall.
1, go!
Come on, be my baby.
Round 5.
Come on, be my baby. Come on. Come on, be my baby.
Lift up those knees.
Come on, be my baby. Come on. Come on, be my
Belly
baby.
button's in.
Come on. Come on, be my baby. Come on. Come on, be my
Breathe
baby.
in.
Come on.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Back to the plank. Holding.
5, 4,
Mountain climber.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. And then my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last
Still
night
with
you
me?
were in my room.
Whew.
And in my bed sheets
I'm
smell
feeling
like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
3, 2, 1, stop!
down. Hold that core strong. Feel the core.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Last one.
I'm in love with
Get
the
ready.
shape of
5, 4,
Hold nice and strong.
3, 2, 1, go.
love with the shape of you. We push and pull like
Lock everything in.
and my heart is going too. I'm in love with your body.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Awesome job. You did great. I'm out of breath. Even just doing it on a chair, it was still a little bit hard. So go at your own pace always. Keep working out, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and check the description box below for more programs I have to offer, and have a great day.